This video is a micro introduction to interactive plotting with Marimo and HvPlot. And I guess first we'll leave full screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is get some data. And one easy way to do that is with seaborn, because sometimes it takes a second. Now it has seaborn. Now watch what we can do with seaborn. Seaborn.load data, and there's the famous iris data set. It'll load that as a pandas data frame. So that's cool. We can see that. We can, let's set a data frame to that. And let's just start looking at the data a little bit. df.sample 5. And now each time we do this, we get a different sample. So you can see, looking at the species, there's setosa, versicolor, and virginica. And then each species, there's measurements of sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And it might be interesting to kind of like look at these things and see what's going on. And that's where plotting comes in, and interactive plotting with HvPlot is what we're going to explore today. So this data frame is a pandas data frame, and that's what's returned by seaborn. So we're going to import HvPlot .pandas, and now that works. And now watch this. We can go data frame dot HvPlot dot scatter, and we get a result. But let's say that we want to specifically compare sepal width and sepal length. So now we'll go x equals sepal width, y equals sepal length. And that's no good because we're not getting any color breakout. So let's add this. by equals, and then we want to break it out by species. Okay, now we have this amazing thing. We can see sepal width, sepal length as a function of species. And so you can see red. This does a good job of sort of separating out setosa from the other two, but red and yellow, in other words, versicolor and virginica, are not broken out. So what if we look at petal width and length? Now we can see a difference. So there you go, and we can share that as a plot, or we can now look at this thing as a slideshow, and we'll go full screen.